Hi everyone, we are going to do written practice page 150 to page 151, 6 through 9, then 12, then 15 through 17, then 26, and then number 29. So number 6 says we are going to draw a square with 3 centimeter sides. So draw a square with sides 3 centimeters long. So you need your ruler, okay, and you need your ruler to be on the centimeter side. Okay, so this is going to be number 6, and we're going to draw a square, and a square is a 4-sided figure, and all the sides are the same. So we're going to go from either the 0, if yours says 0, or the edge, to 3 centimeters, and then we'll make all the sides 3 centimeters long. Try your best. Okay, and then we're going to make it 3 centimeters long here. Okay, and we'll connect these two. There we go. All right, so then that's going to be 3 centimeters on each side. So then it says, what is the perimeter of the square? So since there's 4 sides that are each 3 centimeters, you can do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12 centimeters. And if you know how to do it, you can do just 3 times 4. So 3 centimeters times 4 sides is also 12 centimeters. Some of you might already know your multiplication. All right, so number 7 says a yard is how many feet long? So they mean the measurement, the yard, not like your backyard. So 1 yard equals 3 feet. That's just something you kind of have to memorize. So if you've ever seen a yardstick is 3 feet. So 3 of the rulers, 3 of this type of rulers would equal 1 yard. Okay, because a ruler is 1 foot. All right, number 8. What is the place value of the 9 and 891? So they don't want to know the value, they want to know the place value. Which place is it in? Is it in the hundreds, the tens, or the ones? So we've got 891. We're looking at this one right here, the 9. That is in the tens place. Okay. And then number 9, it says write 106 in expanded form, then use words to write the number. Okay, so we're going to write 106. So in expanded form, that would be 100. And then there's no tens, so we would just write 100 plus 6. And then in order to write that in words, you would write 106. Okay? Number 10. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not doing number 10. Number 12. Number 12 has an A and a B. So A says round 28 to the nearest 10. So we've got 28, and we have to look at the digit to the right, ask ourselves, okay, is 28 closer to 20 or is it closer to 30? Since 8 is larger than 5, then 28 rounds to 30. Okay, then we have round $5.95 to the nearest dollar. So remembering when you round to the nearest dollar, you look at the cents and you decide, okay, is it more than 50 cents or is it less than 50 cents? So we've got $5.95. We're trying to decide if that's closer to $5 or closer to $6. So we'll underline the cents, and we can see that 95 cents is greater than 50 cents. So this is going to round up to $6. Okay, and then we're going to do number 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so number 15 says draw a circle that has a diameter of 2 centimeters. Okay, so I'll do my best at drawing a circle, remembering that the diameter is the measurement that goes all the way across through the center of the circle. So if the diameter is 2 centimeters, they're asking what is the radius of the circle. So the radius is half of the diameter. So they're asking what is half of 2? Well, we know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the radius would be 1 centimeter, because 1 is half of 2. Okay, number 16. What fraction of this rectangle is shaded? Okay, so you have to look at your picture in your book, and it's a rectangle, and it is divided into 6 parts, and 1 is shaded. 1 of the parts is shaded. Okay, so then since what part is shaded, that would be the numerator, 1. Out of how many total parts? That would be the denominator, 6. So our fraction is named 1/6. Okay, number 17. The door was 2 meters tall. 2 meters is how many centimeters? Okay, so we've got 2 meters. So a meter is kind of almost the same size as a yard. So a meter is bigger than a centimeter, right? So a centimeter is teeny, like on here on this ruler. These are centimeters. A meter is almost the same size as a yardstick. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. Just like there's 100 cents in a dollar and 100 years in a century. Okay, so cent means 100. So there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So if we have 2 meters, that means that 2 meters would equal 200 centimeters. Okay? And now we are going to skip to 26. 26 says, sketch a circle. Draw 2 diameters to divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to do it right here. 26. I'm going to draw a circle, do my best. Draw 2 diameters. So diameter means goes all the way across and all the way across. Then it says shade one of the parts. So I'm going to shade this part, shade any part, any one part. What fraction of that circle is shaded? So that would be 1 is shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So the numerator is 1, the denominator is 4, and the fraction is 1/4. All right, and then number 29. Okay, number 29, I'm wondering if I have the wrong number here. All right, I think I might have written the wrong number on there. We're gonna do number 28, okay. Number 28. One item in a supermarket is marked $1.26. Another item is marked $3.73. Okay, what is a reasonable estimate for the cost of both items? So if we were going to estimate this, maybe we could round this to the nearest, either the nearest dollar or the nearest 25 cents. So if we rounded this to the nearest dollar, $1.26 would round to $1. It's closer to $1 than $2 because 26 cents is less than 50 cents. Okay, and then $3.73 would round to $4 because 73 cents is greater than 50 cents. So if we rounded those, it would be about $5. Okay, so that's number 28. And I'm not sure if I wrote number 29 on Google Classroom, so let's just do number 29 anyway, just in case. Okay, number 29 says, this table shows the heights of 4 waterfalls. Write the names of the waterfalls in order, from least height to greatest height. Okay, so we have to look at that table on number 29. All right, so the waterfalls are called, oh boy, they're hard to pronounce. I'm not even sure. So let's look at the one that has the least height, the one that is not the tallest. So our choices are 620, 630, 614, and 656. Okay, so the least is 614, and that is Wentworth. That might be the only one I know how to say. Okay, and then the next is Multnomah, okay, because that one is 620. Okay, and then the next is Maledsunanye, okay, and that is in Africa, so I'm not even sure that I am pronouncing that right. So I'm just going to copy it from the book. All right, and then the last one that is the tallest is Reichenbach, and that is in Switzerland. Okay. All right. So we did number 29, just in case I wrote that on Google Classroom. That's it for our written practice.